good morning. Look at our new baby in the house, the 9 weeks old, and his name is Kitty Pat. He's super active, love to play, exploring the house. He's with us now for I think 7 days already. And then 2 days ago was his vet appointment, and so far he is very healthy. And we adopted Pat and from the animal shelter here in the Marion County. And hi Pat. So we have two kitties in the house. Our new first baby boy is Jojo. So he is also a stray cat. So we found him in the back of our yard. And he's now 1 year and 7 months. And he is somewhere sleeping. And this is the new one we have. And we have a dog in our house as well. Her name is Peachy. Peachy is a 5 years old Yorkie dog. So she was given to us because her first mama is going somewhere and no one's gonna take care of her, so they give it to us. So I'm so lucky we have Peachy in our house. Pat is so smart, energetic, and he loves to play with his brother Jojo. So guys, I do really appreciate for watching our video. Have a wonderful day everyone. God bless.